Welcome to this comprehensive guide on launching a YouTube channel from scratch. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a platform that can help you reach a massive audience and build a loyal community. However, starting a YouTube channel from zero can be a daunting task. That's why we've compiled these essential tips to help you create a solid foundation for your YouTube journey. Tip 1. Identify your niche and target audience. The first step in launching a YouTube channel is to identify your niche and target audience. When choosing a niche, think about what you're passionate about and what topics you're knowledgeable about. This will help you create content that you're genuinely interested in and that resonates with your viewers. Once you've chosen your niche, it's important to identify your target audience. Knowing your audience will help you create content that meets their needs and interests. You can use YouTube Analytics to understand who is watching your videos and what they're interested in. Tip 2. Research your competition. Before you start creating content, it's important to research your competition. Find out what other YouTubers in your niche are doing and what type of content they're creating. This will help you understand what's popular and what's already been done. However, don't be afraid to bring your own unique spin to your content. You can differentiate yourself from your competition by creating content that's unique and provides a fresh perspective on your niche. Tip 3. Plan and create high-quality content. Once you've identified your niche and researched your competition, it's time to start planning and creating high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and editing software, and spend time scripting and rehearsing your videos. Your videos should be visually appealing, informative, and engaging. Think about what your target audience wants to see and create content that meets their needs. You can also use YouTube Analytics to identify which of your videos are performing well and what type of content your viewers are interested in. Tip 4. Be consistent. One of the most important factors in building a successful YouTube channel is consistency. You should create a schedule and stick to it. This will help your viewers to know when to expect new content from you. You don't need to upload videos every day, but you should aim for at least one video per week. Consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal audience. You don't want to upload sporadically and lose momentum. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial when it comes to building a loyal community. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and create content that your audience wants to see. Your viewers will appreciate it when you take the time to interact with them, and it will help to build a stronger connection with them. You can also use community features such as polls and chat to engage with your viewers. This will help you get to know your audience better and create content that meets their needs. Tip 6. Promote your channel. Promoting your channel is important to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media platforms to promote your videos and channel. Join online communities and engage with other creators in your niche. Networking is crucial when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels. This can help you reach a wider audience and build relationships with other creators. Tip 7. Optimize your videos for search and discovery. Optimizing your videos for search and discovery is important to ensure that your content is being seen by the right people. Use relevant keywords in your video. Well, here it is. I hope you found that video useful, and remember, no matter what, never give up. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe for more content, to leave a like and to comment down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.